Your building looks clean, but does it smell clean? Guests and residents decide in the first 10 steps. That's why we use the Fragrance Central, an HVAC integrated ambient scenting system that delivers consistent, welcoming fragrance throughout the air. It's simple. Cold air diffusion turns premium fragrance into dry vapor, so what you smell is welcoming and evenly distributed. No harsh propellants and no randomly distributed air fresheners that fade by lunchtime. Hotels and apartment communities have tricky spaces like lobbies that open to the street, or long corridors where odors travel, or fitness rooms and package areas that need attention. The Fragrance Central treats the whole facility at once, up to 750,000 cubic feet per unit, so the experience is uniform, from door to elevator to amenity floor. Choose from a variety of VOC and IFRA compliant scents, and no known fragrance allergen options, to give visitors the impression you want them to have. Our team installs it at the air handler and supports it with simple refill service. You get reliable ambient scenting and odor elimination without babysitting dozens of small devices. If you manage a property where the air should work as hard as you do, ask about the Fragrance Central. Help your space look clean and smell clean every day. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out State's Fragrance Central and more.